It beeps. It's beeping. What? Does it? Hi guys, this is Devin. Thank you so much for coming back to my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna show you guys how I get my hair from this to this. Then keep watching. So I wanted to kind of start like this new little video trend of does it really work? So I'm gonna be trying out these crazy hairstyling tools for my hair. That way, if it looks good, that you guys can actually go out and purchase it if you want to. So for today, I'm going to be using this Infinity Pro automatic curler system. I've never used it before. I'm really nervous about it. Apparently it like sucks in your hair and then you clamp it and then it like, you hear it? You hear it? Yeah. Now, I hear this thing is super expensive. I was actually gifted this by a friend. So I don't have the box or the instructions, so I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Let me see if I can just like spray my hair with this like Aussie hairstyling volume hairspray. And hopefully, I hope it doesn't revert my hair back to curly. That would suck. So let me just tie up my hair right here. But let me just take like a small strand and like spray it. That way I'm not having to re-straighten my hair. Okay, we're good. It's the moment of truth. So do I like do it from right here? Ah! Okay, I messed that up. I think I messed it up. Let me watch someone do it like online. Hold on one second. Hold on before I mess up my hair. Okay, so automatic curl. I think I got it. It beeps. It's beeping. What? Does it? Look at that! I like it. That's cute. Okay. Okay, let's do another strand. Okay. Got a spray. Okay. By the way, guys, so I straightened my hair about a week ago, so my hair is a little bit dirty right now. Typically, my curls last longer when my hair is dirty, so if you guys have issues with your curls not staying in, just, you know. Ow! Okay, let my hair go. Okay, that didn't work. Maybe it's too big of a strand. Let me split it. Maybe that's it. Okay. That was probably it. I think when it beep, 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 that's when it's ready. Look! I should be counting to see how long this is actually taking me. It's been about 7 minutes so far. So far, I like it. It's kind of scaring me though. That's why it scares me. Let me try it again. But at least it like lets you know when to take it out. You know, it's kind of like, okay, you know, let's try again. Beep, 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 beep. Okay. So far, this is what my hair looks like. So far. You know what I should probably do? I should probably wait to spray it until after I'm done curling it. That would probably be better. You know what's funny? When it rejects my hair, it's almost like whenever you put $1 in a vending machine and then like it just doesn't want to take it and it's just like, no, get out. Like, that's what it feels like. Okay, okay, you go, okay, okay. Okay. I'm trying to get my hair. Okay. 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 Bitch, you're a curl. Get out of my face. I'm trying to curl. You're already curled. I'm so weird. 2 beeps, 3 beeps. Why did it stop beeping? You didn't like me counting you? Huh? Whatever. That's so weird. Look what it did. That's so weird. Why is it acting like that? It tangled my hair. It tangled my hair. It's like smoking. That's weird. This thing is dangerous, yo. My hair is gonna be fried off by the end of this video. I said, oh shit, it's a fire.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
I'm about to burn my house down. I'm always scared it's gonna get stuck. Ooh. Very nice. Oh, that's hot. Shit. Ah. That's hot. Ah. Ooh. Okay, it took me about 10 minutes to do this side. Let me spray it. Ooh. This is it. I might have to like, you know, fluff it out a little bit. So now it's this side's turn. So let's see. I'm already tired. You know, I'm already over it. Dun, 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 dun. Woo! Okay, so I'm almost kind of finished. I wanted to stop and say thank you so much, guys, for making it this far in my video. I am a new YouTuber here, and I definitely want to grow a community with you guys, and I want to build a family with you guys. So if you can go ahead and just like my video, comment, and also subscribe. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you guys a couple seconds. So as soon as I'm done with this strand, I want you guys to have already like subscribed and liked the video, please. Okay, let's do it. Are you doing it? A couple more seconds. Okay, I'm done. And did you guys hit subscribe? Did you like the video? Okay, let me check. Let me check. Thank you. Thank you. I keep wanting to do big pieces, but I guess it doesn't want to do big pieces, so that way it doesn't do stuff like that. Okay, can you let go of my hair? Let go. It's not letting go. Okay, calm down. It's not letting go. It's not letting to let go. Okay. What the hell? Let me turn it off. Okay. Why? In this area. So, okay. Oh, I turned it off. I'm so stupid. Let me turn it back on, let it heat up some more. Cool. Yeah, comment what video you want me to do next. That way I can kind of know like what you guys want and want to see. And we're done. We're done. We're done. We're finally done. That took 10 minutes. Well, probably about 20 minutes to do this. Okay. This is what it looks like. Guys, nice little close up. I can just like, you know, run my fingers through it. Okay guys, so I kind of ran my fingers through it a little bit, but this is the results. I mean, curls are not very tight, if you know what I mean. This is what it looks like. Would I recommend the Infinity Con Air Pro? No. It's no. I feel like there are so many devices out there that could probably curl your hair a lot better than this can without like tearing up your curls. I feel like this does more damage than good. You know, like I think it's good for people that might be like a little bit like they don't want to just like actually hold it and wrap their hair by themselves. Like I get the concept that they were going for whenever they created this tool, but it's inconvenient, and then it's like you have to only use a certain amount of strands, you know, or else your hair is going to get fried up like mine did and torn out. Like, whew, I don't know, I just don't think it's worth it. I feel like you can probably just go to Walgreens or something and just get like a regular curling iron and it'll probably turn out better than this. I don't know. It's not terrible. Like maybe I need to. I feel like my curls are falling now. Like I think the machine, it didn't get hot enough on some of the curls, you know, and that's why it feels like they're kind of falling down. And I'm not a big fan of the curls that it created. Like these are like Shirley Temple curls. You know, I like more of like the nice little S curls, you know, like the beach wave curls. This right here, and it feels weird in the back. What the hell did it do? This is it. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. Comment down below if you like the results of this hair. But yeah, thank you so much guys for coming to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Maybe other people might have a better experience with this tool. Maybe I just wasn't using it correctly, I don't know. So yeah, definitely take a look and see if it's worth the money. I hear that there's some that are maybe like $20 or so, so maybe you might be able to find it for cheap. Hey, if you can find it for cheap or for free, then do it, but I would not recommend spending more than $50 on this thing, because you could probably just go somewhere else and get another curling iron and you'll probably get better results. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube video. I hope you guys will like, subscribe, and comment, but I'm definitely going to try to be posting a lot more, giving you guys good, fresh content. Keep on subscribing, keep on liking, keep on commenting. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video, and I hope all of you have a blessed day and stay safe out there. Love you. Bye.